kama ade ma eye be man afa na breduru se ese oba no oba be ware oba yi oba so oba be ware no ohora pe no oba di nkotodwe gu form ensu oh eti ni suo ofi se eye tears of joy oh odofo asemo sana eye tears of joy Nemo eye asemo eye rahosem pa eno obebie na no aka be ma de agya wonim hwe Entiaja wara pe no hyase aso wo ka ne nsam ana si mira be ma hofe odo yewu made nyina esu amisu nyina ne se ansa na wo benya djuma no mede me ho ebo afore ne nyina ne se mede me ho ma manager no ene me dae entiade a yesehye se wo na obeti ano no sese wo ba be second be ma anim hancho eja enti ni ebisale se anani atwe nkomo se enti sese bema onya no ko ware foforo anase onfanchan no onware no esanti matunsa afra eyesofo pa sofo pompa okokroko pa ya friend evangelist ademununku sa okwa eye dansuma brancha ACP ono enada eho ano manya sofo yi ewa homa so menene ba betwetwe nkomo na ono so akire na adwen aja omo de anya de a mpamu agudie sokosokoi omo bayi bia kwesi se age se omo aware ansa na ye na omo wie school na ja omo konya omo wie school na akonya ba mo bayi wo ye ni bojo akakra but be ma de aniemo mu ebeye ten pa ye edema no enti no oba ne ye na dwe sisade a wode no ho ebeba afode ne wawura mu apɛ adwuma ma be ma ampa ni nuane ampa wonya adwuma ne bi ma nanso so boss re se age se one no adansa ana aja oba opɛ adwuma amani kuru ana se opɛ adwuma ma ne dachi enti no wode no ho ma boss ye na ja be ma ye adwuma wanya sika ne bi kama ebradu so oba be ye oba yi hu ade afi de odi su ena ba be mani no fi say be ma fi say ja ye tears of joy na so na ente sa na mum ne koba eri nyina say ade a ese onu mum eti anu wodi akomo obi fufura ma onu mum na ayeden ati anu to onu mum ekoye second person eyi na ye fi say enti no be man ese onware oba na onfa nche no onware na say ese odi che no onware na adentia ana se enise o de che no ware na se ogya no ko ware obi wufra adetia eja eyi na yebisa
yo bega machi betia
excellence 92.1 FM
ya tie voje so
yo mi se eba awari mu a division no ko be ma no
okay
obi a timi tusu ma oba no obi a timi tusu ma be ma no na kokon de if na kokon de if bre adam ma Adam breed and pupil so one other time or no more for change your body. And she said the best man so one piece of the Obano Obana. We need to be here. But she said Obana yellow so many new one or one in seven.
okay
Meet you for Superman somewhere. But Obama way mistake. But we said you propose you move. I'm a book you want with you. Emra,
excellence 92.1 FM
okay
na tete bema na gye ni se oba na nya no kafo
sa
so wari no ko tene ko tene ni kia oba ta finish
sa
because the final fast no oba na je ma je o ma ko muti mo bre na gye ni se o man wo kwan no je bi ma bema
sa
but not knowing say I didn't call or say you will and the awari te mu no no pass no wo mi se and the bema na wo ko wa no ba bema no she and you will have your mind. Not from Madia, in the program. That can be a young and baby catcher. And yet, your mamma, our dear, and we 20. Now, Bible says, so we will your mind out of farm. But it's how I know what can live up to. So we will your mind out of farm. Now, the farm, fine, but how I know. So you will your mind out, or just over your mind, not the whole farm, but a town Bible and cancer. I didn't want to get so.
sa
a kid your man, and I need your father, not so over now, may I dare to believe you, Yaka. Oh, I don't know what, not to be done fire, in Yasin Yaka.
Okay.
Decision is there. Or Bema answer.
Okay, Naja, unsi say o make decision so okay, me ware no. Na wa wo hwe kwan a obayi afasu unsi say mpo kodru kwan so na bia bibi koba obetimi di bema ewu because one went me ni no kre ama no wo sabre ni mu. Okay, nyame bi san say say bema no make decision say okay fine me fam me ware no. But one oba na ni no kra ma no emre a wakonya adwuma na senka wone bema no besusu won say e bia ni abani ni akosinie awani no kra ma no unsu say oware na edrum pepenso bia obetimi adina wu na say obetimi ayina ma
I don't know how Bema is slow. I want to know Bema is slow. But the people who do pepenso bia Bema ni himself obeja na wapo. So, and the Bema or Bama fight by mistake pa. Why choose mistake? I don't know how Bema or panic said. We share of very zero here. We go to him to start that. I don't know how Bema or panic no. But when you worry every day, Bema no go find say or Ujano Mama no. That's what so worry so waiting now. But the Goma worry dia or when you want dia. Aga Bema no oni wo kwari se ko besa
nko
if you are no worry ya o mu do mo ahia brabo do o ba du o fra no wetimi akofare ma misika dia ma Bema so pa ko ya bima.
Okay.
Long last no e be wie ti no na Bema no so akofo ma akofo aware no apam wi e di o e kata kire both side ba any Bema na e di e ni ba e careful o sa question we do mo ahia se dem mo we na enware ya we do to go and check them mo na mo pet ka mo boy do pet ka man get so ma mi ka mo wi ya so we e signal amo obi biara o ma hia ware ya o mo go wa o mo je ahyi pa.
Okay, na aja we ya ni etwa to kra unsu say sesia se Bema no take decision say okay esa ne wa yentino mi jana foforo na okwakofa no se onim wono susuban ana nia we na wone ne hyase de onim ni suban onim ni bibia so what ase onim ne sane okasa ne respect ni bibia but e bia no ne okofa no krampo ne bia na obechen ni anka obeware no
Okay, Bema aware ko nje atoko ye ma wa YouTube. Oh, Bema no she so who obey on that is no na and sa ko jo ya che mo ware no o mambo o Bema na mpitu.
Oh, okay. And aja ya bedasi enewie pa se unya bread mai. Amen. Erade nsu enchira won so. Yo. Order for evangelist Ademunukum and out in Kano. Aye ACP. Okwa aye Dansuma brancha. Ono ena edano Las Palmas. Omonche hon mwana asori dan wo. Wakana dwen, wachire na dwen. In fact, so for akasa yie pa. Wasinia Bema no ebeye bia ewo no akasa nsem. Amazing mama ensu wo fidie man say. Yebeko no wono no so aka ono so na dwen. It's Talk Your Mind. High Excellence 92.1 FM. Okukuni kukudru for Ministry to draw. Nana Kofi Brako. Mena meti adwam atiase. Obetima from Eye Papi Dex. Eti yebeko amazing mama ho. No so ade kakra aka ye ho. Atiase. Amazing.
Yeah.
Empombo kwa de.
Yankopon adon.
Yeah, then Yankopon ase. Bibi kama.
Everything is totally good.
Ase nase wanimu enshada nyame febisa.
Sao.
Ada ora ho ara.
Mi ran shada.
Ala le so asoro bo bisa.
The beyond that Dabia ni musa. As I say, it's not every day that you look happy, you know, and also at the beer when Nijabia knows and Nijam Bruce the problem for friends. Auntie thought a piano drink a crap.
I mean, near a dark procedure.
Okay.
Software Akasa. For a crack on them.
So we mistake. Why won't him say in the first place no be no ball? Obeying more any kind of and I say or see obe provide the amount. And the DNT now also will be who come all in the name say who yes in a or bema bedrock. What you say? In the first place, you know, you are trying to please man. What you say? And then also no nyakopon so on share from no nyakopon lefty. There be nyakopon lefty. It is sometimes we need to reason. So oh, there be get an idea no and I'm person explain no. In the first place, I didn't create myself. And obema no so nya no kasa na born no. Eh nyakopon no born no. A boy yina. Into the first place now ukoya nipa na catch say in the wuni man da me for you now. Who no say I didn't know no the lady is trying to please the man and not God. But you must also remember say God is above all. Into why don't you stop say why don't you catch any pan say so farm me the end you fa esan say nyakopon in that place you have pleased God but when tini anjai when tini overcome inside the end he is trying to please what the man and nyakopon asem so can say don't put your trust in my son say nipa dey wait me do hiabo at any time hiabo ni bi na wadi no nti saa nipa wo nya heart attack enye me ma me bi no ye no ono akasa na ye no abrabo a principle with this one and one why you free it's me ko page man now say ma okay fine fa we djuma esa say djuma no kra wo ye kra ko no nyakopon ye obo me no dis adjuma na hye onsa. If God is able to control the king's heart, I was able to catch and say, okay, say, farmer, Nyakopon be share baby or bet me, I hear you obey a diamond. Fine now, but what you need to work on money, dear, and you say you're in big trouble. A banner son, so a bear man in the other side or bow a dear there because Mrs. Samuel, say me were in that situation, another situation, somebody or best side, I didn't know more before. That is all the new come. What if say, you know, the master, a Jumara, what if say now or your regular one? Said Nick san and I said the boy in son in the bed. So I'm so very happy the same. And then again, he's trying to please the man, but not God. And in that way, so causes so many problems. Or in the name for you. If you want to do good thing and do it in the right way, don't do it in the negative way.
But some say or don't. The kind of stress and the pushing for the man the pressure ebano. Oh, she say oh at least enka me yana be me nyeska no be wara me temna sa pressure ni na to twa.
What I say I say wa ko to adam for girl ni ni school na see no see wa toka wa yese then dey wa pentema ko pe juicy ke biaje enu at the end of the day no wo dey no ube mu sa fe dey wa ba fom pra fe dey wo yare ko bi mu wa ko ji but em say na sa ni pa no anye dudu no ko dey it's in the same situation you are trying to please the person. What you say me without understand say ni pano dowa and yes how we know the be kwa komo bia or this can be man no na be solve problem there bi what you say
enti wo susue mu nka be man no inja
me ni nyina depending on be man akasa as what Sopho said ni nyina depending because ebia na no so pen no sa dia obetimi afa no but say me amazing mama make out sure say why a good thing but in the other way around a bad thing and a why
but yeah amazing yeah shade you you fan say we make decision say we be jana say ofoforo no okofa no
anu so onim
ni suban but we dey when the municipal ni bibia na kata chese ni bibia perfect apart from you know the sacrifice no yeah.
Okay, another advice I made to me at the Amasa ni pan say obey me akọ for what a little bit counseling as to how to go about it. Say okay nipa we wakoye bibi say there is something we call forgiveness.
Good.
What you say? So in the other way round, since nyakopon kasa oboy no ye boni bebre body chain. Onu so betimi ahwe from na wa first sorrow na odi ni boni ade ache na wa to no for say mirror ana say ni way menye ne saabio we ye ne saabio mu de ende e be cause big problem.
Okay. Amazing.
Yeah.
So or the channel na oware no na say a chire bi no ebia bibi koba eno no ubetimi aka ne se eye ono akasa mistake ana say so because Bible say yamfa bone yere enche so ti ase na ono so edi so pepepe wo de ache no aware enti se bibi koba eno no obeblemi Nyankopon ana say obeblemi ono akasa.
Me pacho, there's no way of blaming everybody because our rena kasa you come here you see better for worse. What you say?
Okay.
It is a better for worse there. Ni ebe kwa ko si e wo mu bia no. E wo say what me here e genesa with akumapa. What you say? Only I got to understand something again say. On say nyanyama bia na ebe ba ebe fa the good kwan paso aba abrabom. Ebi betimi afa kwan boni so ba e ba so ebe bo wankasa. With an example say okọ Bible no ma time na Abraham and Sarah no mutu kwan akọ baby. Now okache ni here ni say onkache ni say or like they are brothers in the way to save the what the man. So what you say? By the end of the day no bibia akoye pepe edima omo. Into certain things happen to give a good thing at the end of the day. It is okwa and when say obeka say ni yere no epenasem and I waiting akoye sa ade na ade no kwan dia. Me I'm not sure say who can be betin but by basu dia e was so di akumapa eji to me say yes aware na ya ware and the way in seminar cause say ye challenges so say ye sika na ni ho say ye dey na ni ho e was so fan star oji to me say yes no mu di mpaibo e cause na bibia be kama
but amazing who say senka oba no ani be ma ne be susu ho ansana wakwakwa ya e ma be ma ne ma go ahead because you see be ma de woni tire enye oba eti ko ne be susu ho na nka be ma no e man go ahead and go use senka ya na
me pacho on say something like that no there's no way oba ne betimi abo abeba on kan say me for yes say because
but say one wa yes hihye
yes hihye on say she said, but no, it shouldn't be like that because I mean, me quiet side, they be crowd one penny. What you say? One penny, not still. Now your situation. Oh, say you mentioned that Obano or yes, senior beya or Beman Beba be warring in time. What you say? Until also person or Beman warring in time, no person be a bed in nothing because or baby or who was the can't be an Beman so pesca or buy now I did until because on some such situation and it's in a went to me uncountry and say me amazing mama crampa and coming country. Nina in the love of what outdoor what you say do be too much you do crazy things
it's crazy thing no
what you say so do be pa we say nyama be crowd be your crampo no en fa kwem essence say do no keke enti what you say enti ni oba no ye meeting I say all in the name of our love and open so ni pa na e war no enti it doesn't en fa want me in country.
Amazing mama no also no club bank wait me can because I'm not ding now situation omo komi situation omo wo mi obai pressure down so free na busia ho hey nya bro e dem gunu so se now obesha sa pressure nyina now I reject it aish a bad thing that's so amazing what can I do ameko amazing one no dey ne someone ne final words atudwa na che say ya ye di bibia si because enche Ghana nkoso ebeba talk your mind eduma die na wutie ye kan adwe atiase ubetimi ne wadwedra afa 0552963727 eba making kind e dia mawo amazing then and how back catch one hour bonting because so wo hwe enneyi a
okay
enu a na ekoso oh me no eye hihye ebia na emfa eye sa lense ebia ye mfa ye ho kan ho but ebetimi agina particular covenant and a promise bi so so then how back
okay ni ameka ni say and the Ghana because I've noticed say nyanse ye bibia en fa Nyankopon ye den enka ho nka sa lady no nka ne okọ enko di Nyankopon enka ho a nka oji ni hu di say anaso oji Nyankopon na osom ne di say obetimi aye bibia ma na ye when there seem to be no way God makes a way nka oji to musana nka ontimi mfa ne ho enko ma sa abema no all in the name of what work Inti ende se o pese wo kosoro abrabo ma fa wo gidie fa to Nyankopon so for trust eto Nyankopon so and we should love with carefulness because you say ukodo crazy door bi chese odo a chese what
small crack chese
no